friends, Stephanie Barnard at The Stamps of Life, and I have a fun, quick tip for you. The funny thing is this came to me in the shower the other day, but I'm really excited about this one because I really need this quick tip, and it's an organization tip. I bet by now a lot of you have a lot of our little mini stamps. Maybe you got one at a show that we were giving out, or you have some personalized ones, or you have some of the freebies we send out for our club members, and they're kind of like, look, I have all of these, and I'm like, oh, what am I supposed to do with these? And I would love to have them just on one sheet, like a 4x6 stamp set would be, because then I can put it in a storage envelope like this. But you know, if I put a clear stamp on here, look at this, my friends. If I put a clear stamp on here, the problem is I really can't read what it says. It's not very easy to read. So this is what you're gonna do. First, what I did is I bought, or I had Ken bring home, but you could purchase some acetate sheets. We normally use these for shaker kits. But what I'm gonna do is I have my clear, I cut two 4x6 in size so they'll fit in my storage envelope. And then what I'm gonna do is I am going to take all my stamps and I'm going to stamp them in Forever Black. Now, if you remember Forever Black means it's always gonna be black. It's gonna stain your stamps. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stamp it here, and then I'm gonna clean it off by just going more and more to get it clean, or I could use a wipe. But what we're gonna do now, it has that ink on it, and I'm going to lay this on my carrier sheet just like that. And now look, when I look at it, I can read it really, really well. So again, I'm gonna take another one. And here's one that's really cute that I love. It's a cookie. Now, when you're stamping this, be extra careful that you don't accidentally get too much ink everywhere else. So I'm just gonna stamp this one out. And now I can read that stamp. So I'm gonna peel it off and put it on my carrier sheet. And let's do one more. Here's another one. This is another one that I did. Limited edition by Stephanie Barnard, blank of blank, meaning I could say, if I made two of that same card, I could say 1 of 2 or 2 of 2. Oh, and I got some black on that one. That's okay, it doesn't matter. I was going too fast. And then I'm gonna peel that up. And then I have that. And now I'm gonna put another sheet on the back, and I'm gonna do all of mine. So I'll have all of my personalized stamps or all my other pieces. And look, now you can see I can read, oh, that's limited edition by Stephanie Barnard. I want that one. Or, oh, that's one of a kind by Stephanie Barnard. Oh, made with love by Stephanie, because we do personalized stamps on our website. But I can see them up close and personal, and I'll know which one to grab. And then I don't have all these extra little pieces laying around and those stamps running around. They'll all be on one sheet or 2 sheets or 3 sheets, but I can find them quick and easy. Just another quick tip from Stephanie Barnard at The Stamps of Life. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.